Baby Ryle. It's
Hala.
tummy time for Baby Ryle.
Tuwad man.
Oy,
Hala.
the side of his head is on the other side so that she will be
Tuwad man.
she will be not confusing to the
Gatuwad
other
man.
side.
Gatuwad man.
Beyonce. On the other side because she always used to do that way.
Oh.
Oh,
Utot.
that's good. That's good.
Sige. Hurry up. Sige. Do yourself.
Do it yourself.
Do it
How many
yourself.
minutes did the tummy time?
Do yourself.
Once.
Do yourself, ha?
How many minutes will allow?
Do yourself.
No, there is a kuan man ana, a proper way.
Do. Allah. 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 Aluya, re mong pikas kamot.
Lagi.
Namikil man na. Ngano man na. Ngano man na. Allah. 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 Daning kamot
Kisi,
yun.
Kasi,
Daning
kasi.
kamot yun.
Kasi.
Anak dong, maunay. Real life dong, ning kamot yun. Anak,
Kamot siya
sige.
dong. You must be
Ang
strong
kamot.
dong. You
Ang
must
kamot
be
ka na.
strong.
Ari ang kamot.
You must be strong.
Nagkamot. Nabutang na tarong
Yeah,
nagkamot.
she knows already how to.
Nagtarong nagkamot. Natarong na niyang kamot. Sige yun. Sige yun, ang kamot. Tarong ng kamot.
Tummy
Sige na.
time.
Tarong kamot. Ana. Sige. Kaling kamot yun.
Aling kamot to kay.
Kaling kamot yun.
Life is very difficult if you let
Sige, di
struggle.
kamot yun. Life is good. Oh, Dana, nakamaon na siya sa iyang kamot. Hala. Kamaon na siya sa iyang kamot. Kamaon na siya. Ang ulo na pod. Ulo na pod.
Nagi ka pa.
Hindi, ang ulo na pod. Ulo na pod. Kinipikas na pod. Ari. Dali. Sige, ulo na pod. Ulo na pod. Si Ana. Sige. Hapit Ana.
Struggle is real. Come on. Come on, you can do it.
Sige, Ana.
You can do it.
Pakpak kamay na.
You can do it.
Don't surrender.
Don't surrender. Retreat. No surrender.
Don't surrender.
No retreat. No surrender.
Don't surrender, Ana. Okay. Don't surrender. Ha? Don't surrender, ha?
No retreat. No surrender, my dear.
Relax and rest, and then try again. Relax and rest, and
Okay.
try again.
Rain, come away. Come again another day. Little Ryle wants to play.
Ipanis ka dong, ha?